Hey, what is up everyone? My name is Randolph, also known as Midas Prime, and welcome back to the channel. So today I have something to review for you all, but before I do, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's get this channel up to 20,000 subscribers, all right? So without further ado, we're going to unbox some Raycon everyday earbuds. Shazam! Check out the packaging. Everyday earbuds, affordable. And guess what? The protective case for the earbuds. Shout out to Raycon. So these are everyday earbuds. These are nice affordable earbuds. We're gonna open these right now because I'm ready to rock and roll and listen to some music. So of course, if you are someone that likes to listen to music on the go and you want to be able to listen to music while you're on a budget, then Raycon earbuds, everyday earbuds, is just for you. So we're going to go ahead and open the package right here, right now. I am stoked. I am excited. Take the wrap off. So, small build with almighty sound. Especially for my music listeners out there, whether you're working, whether you're on a run, whether you're jogging, working out at the gym, this is something you'll definitely want. All right, so just going to slide it open like this. I'm going to protect this, keep that. Got this, pretty sure these are the instructions. Everyday Raycon earbuds, your little instructions, how you can connect it to the phone. All right, so the instructions will be here. And here's the package. This is beautiful, beautiful, amazing, stunning package from Raycon. So we're just gonna give this an open. Easy opening without having to damage. Just pop it open like that. All right, opened, and boom. Here are your earbuds. Nice, beautiful, compact, small, portable, easy carry. This is astonishing. You got your left, you got your right. And look, it's ready to go. So this one from my right ear. ANC mode on, it will power on for you. Got one. So once you put the earbuds in your ear, it's going to adjust and you will hear a voice. All right, so now we're going to open up the protection case, which is, well, a protection for your earbud case. And this is really nice. I love this. I highly recommend it. Open up the case just so I can show you guys. Ooh. Oh, and I definitely chose a custom color for mine. You can also choose a custom color for yours. So of course this is the case protection right here. So you're just gonna slap it on like this and voila, beautiful. Look at that. All right, and all we have to do is pretty much connect it to our Bluetooth. So it's right here. It's going to say Raycon everyday earbuds. You select that and it's going to say connected. You're going to hear it. It's going to say connected. Could turn up the volume. I could pretty much listen to whatever music I want. I want to listen to some rock and roll, so I'm going to listen to AC/DC, Metallica, Linkin Park, whatever the case. All right, so I'm listening to AC/DC. It sounds good. And if you want to put your earbuds back in, all you gotta do is put the left earbud with the left and the right earbud to the right, and the lights will show, and voila, boom, easy. Beautiful, nice, compact, elegant packaging. Nice and portable for you, for your everyday use. Hence the name Everyday Earbuds by Raycon. Definitely get yourself earbuds. It will be in the description down below. So you have some extra tips varying on different sizes. And you have your USB. This is the C cable, USB-C cable. All right, so here's your different size tips for your earbuds right here. Really amazing. Again, for the price point, it's amazing compared to your AirPods and stuff. This is much better, more affordable, I'd say, compared to those, compared to the AirPods. These can last up to 8 hours and the charging 32 hours. You could purchase yourself a sunset case like me or a wide variation of other cases of your liking. And of course, the earbuds itself, which will come with the case itself. Different size tips for the earbuds. This is truly an everyday earbud. Definitely go get yourself some. Great for working out, great for fitness, great for the gym. You just want to walk and listen, that's fine too. They're great for noise cancellation. You can press or hold it. ANC mode on. Awareness mode on. And awareness mode off. Great noise cancellation earbuds. I can't really hear my voice. It's truly amazing. It's really nice. I love it. It's like what more do you want? You know, it's like these earbuds are just absolutely amazing, and I just honestly don't know what else to say. It's just, I'm just speechless at this point. Like, you seriously go get yourself Raycon earbuds. Like I'm like, this is a nice affordable price point compared to expensive AirPods that you're probably losing, or whatever the case, no pun intended. But yeah, definitely get yourself some Raycon earbuds. And like I said, again, you could buy yourself a custom case, which I highly recommend also. But anyways, that is me signing off. Thank you, Raycon, for these amazing earbuds, and go get yourself some. Link will be in the description down below. Thank you all for the support, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.